Welcome to Mrs Poon-Lai's Creative Corner.
Don't let the rubbish blow in the air. Don't let the rubbish go anywhere. Don't leave the rubbish on the chair. Put it in the bin because we care. I love butterflies up in the breeze. I love fuzzy, buzzy bumblebees. I love hopping rabbits and mooing cows. I love the sand when the weather allows. I love horses that gallop and run. I love big tigers in the sun. I love pecking chickens and cuddly cats. I love to see where the seagulls chat. So don't let the rubbish blow in the air. Don't let the rubbish go anywhere. Don't leave the rubbish on the chair. Put it in the bin because we care. Put it in the bin because we care.